Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by identifying the material around the rusty nail and positioning yourself for leverage. Put on safety glasses. You need clear vision. Spray penetrating oil or WD-40 at the nail base and let it sit for 5–10 minutes so the oil breaks corrosion. Meanwhile, wedge a small pry pad or scrap wood under where you will lever to protect the surface. Once the oil soaks in, tap the nail head lightly with a hammer to help oil migrate deeper and loosen rust bonds. You now grip the nail head with locking pliers or the claw of a hammer. The firmer the grip, the less torque you transfer to the surrounding material. Pull back slowly and evenly, using a fulcrum like a scrap block under the tool to distribute force. This prevents tearing the surface. If the head strips or crumbles, stop. Drill a small pilot hole around the shaft and use a screw extractor or easy out to back the shaft out without widening the hole. Keep steady pressure and repeat oil application if it resists. You finish by cleaning the hole and removing debris. A wire brush and vacuum help. Apply a rust inhibitor or primer to the area to stop future corrosion, then fill or plug any damaged wood and sand smooth for a neat repair. Replace the fastener with stainless or galvanized hardware for lasting protection. If the nail remains stubborn, you can apply controlled heat to expand metal and break rust bonds. Use a propane torch cautiously, wear heat-resistant gloves, and avoid flammable surroundings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.